cybersecurity might be into different roles. They'll be in cybersecurity, but different role name. Do you think that's going to be transitioning too? Like a lot of positions are going to be transitioning?
Yeah, they're going to be transforming, I would say, AI-based
Yeah.
roles, right? There's going to be some form of AI that you will have to learn and know how to implement in whatever job role that you have out there. It's not only in tech, but it's also in any other industry. Specifically in tech and in cybersecurity, there are already roles that pretty much require AI to be as part of the job description. So if you like a lot of programming, automation, data analysis, all of those things, if you know how to use it with AI and you know how to build the data lake using AI, you're going to be ahead of the game for sure. So yes, there are job positions that are turning into a AI-based type of a position, or in other words, just adding a pinch of AI to make sure that you're not only doing old school cybersecurity, old school IT, but you're actually making use of AI to help you to be way more effective than you were 5 years ago.
Yeah. So a lot of things will be changing. That's pretty much what it sounds like. A lot of things are going to be changing. A lot of things are going to move. It's going to move forward. It's not going to be that traditional cybersecurity. It's going to be a new generation of IT and cybersecurity. They all have to learn some type of fundamental of each of them, right?
Yeah, the fundamentals will stay there. But the difference is going to be on how you handle the new things that are out there, the new platforms, the new technologies, and how does that integrate with the fundamentals that, remember, just like network, right?
Yes.
There are basic fundamentals, and there are things that AI are helping to automate the network. For example, you can automate how to configure a switchboard depending on the type of device that connects to the switch, or you make sure that it's on the right VLAN, or make sure that it gets into the right subnet, and a lot of other things. So this is one of the things that will help you to be more effective. For example, a network engineer, a cybersecurity engineer, AI can help you by analyzing past alerts and correlating those past alerts with the alert that you got, and check if there are any differences or any things that out of the normal behavior of that alert. So it's a similar alert, but there's one little thing that is different from the previous alert, so that may raise a flag. So all of those things will, AI is helping people who are really passionate about IT and tech and cybersecurity